Hello friends, today topic is bacterial morphology and I am Archana Hegde. Coming to the topic bacterial morphology. Bacterial morphology is seen in prokaryotic unicellular microorganisms. They are divided by binary fission, do not possess chlorophyll and have true branching except for actinomycetales. Size varies from 0.5 to 15 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 2 micrometer in breadth. Bacteria of medical importance measure 2 to 5 micrometers length and 0.2 to 1.5 micrometer in width. Morphology of bacteria. Depending on their shape, bacteria are classified into several types. Cocci. First one is the cocci forms cuckoos, means berries, which are spherical or oval in shape. These cocci may be arranged in various shapes or pairs and have pairs in chains. So some of the cocci are called diplococci, which will be pairs. Chains are streptococci, which are arranged in chain formation, and some are in clusters, example staphylococci. And some are in group of 4 called tetrads or 8 round shaped bacterium called Sarcina. These are the shapes of bacteria. You can see here in cocci, first one it is the cluster where Staphylococcus aureus is the example. These are the tetrads. Here you can see 4 at a time, so it will be 8. So this can be seen like this. And chains, one attached to other, it will go long. They are called Streptococcus pyogenes. In pairs you call Pneumococcus, Streptococcus pneumoniae. So in only in double pairs you also can see Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Coming to the rods, which are called as bacilli, where one single is called bacilli. For example, it is E. coli. Many bacillus in a group or in a chain called Bacillus anthracis. In a crescent shape form you call Fusobacterium. This is also a form of this is a bacterium, but in fungi Fusarium is also in the same shape. This is called Corynebacterium diphtheriae. In curved shape bacilli, which are Vibrios, which are like comma shaped, and Spirulinum, which are rigid and little wavy type appearance, whereas spirochetes are very much twisted spiral bacterium, example Treponema pallidum. Here Corynebacterium are oscillating bacteria which can be seen very long, and hyphae are the hyphae shaped, example Streptomyces albus. Coming to the bacillus, bacillus means rod shape. Single one is called as bacilli and many are called as bacillus. These are rod shaped cells. Bacilli peculiar arrangement or shape as follows. This is the arrangement. You can see it is the rod shape structure. In these two types are there. One is Cocobacilli. Length of the bacteria approximately same as its width. Means it is not round or it is not very long also. It is small in width. Example Brucella. In second one, the Streptobacilli. Bacilli are arranged in chains, which are example Streptobacillus. You can see the image right side. Coming to the next, Chinese letter arrangement at angles at each other. Cuneiform pattern, example Corynebacterium. This is the shape. So you can see at the end it is like a round shape, but in the middle it is the straight rod shape. Next, comma shaped or curved shape appearance, example Vibrio. You can see Vibrio cholerae causing organism. Here it is like comma shape. Coming to the next, spiral. These are rigid spiral forms called Spirulinum. See, you can see the spiral structures. And coming to the next, spirochetes, which are slender, flexible and spiral forms, example Treponema pallidum. See here, compared to this is very spirally formed structures. Coming to the next, characteristic arrangements of cocci. Diplococci are cell divided in one plane, remains attached to predominantly in pairs. Streptococci are cell divided in one plane, remain attached to the forms of chains. Tetracocci, cells divided in two planes, characteristically forms groups of 4 cells. Staphylococci, cells divided in 3 planes, irregular pattern producing bunches of cocci. Serracinae, cells divided into 3 planes, irregular pattern producing a cuboidal arrangement of cells. Here you can see, this is the image showing cocci, bacilli, budding and appendaged bacilli or bacteria. These are the other forms of bacteria. Coccus, diplococci. Diplococci encapsulated. You can see a capsule with 2 cocci. Staphylococci is a group. Streptococci in a chain. Staphylo group, strepto chain. Sarcinae in 4. 4 with 8. Tetrad in 4. Bacilli. Cocobacilli, it is not long, either not short, it is not oval, it is not round, but it is slightly oval. Bacillus, little elongated. This is diplobacilli, where 2 bacilli can be seen. Palsillates, group of bacilli. Streptobacilli, chains of bacilli. Budding and appendage bacilli, where a bulb shape appearance and with a hypha we can see, and this is the stalk. Others are enlarged rod fusobacterium, which are crescent shaped, comma shaped Vibrio cholerae. Commas formed this bacterium. Bulb rod Corynebacterium. Helical form Helicobacter pylori. Corkscrew shape form Borrelia, and spirochetes are spiral. Filamentous form Bacillus. Both cocci and bacilli are further classified based on gram staining property. Gram staining was dealt in the previous section. You can see my blog to see how gram staining is done. Here it is divided into gram positive cocci, gram negative cocci, gram positive bacilli, gram negative bacilli. So coming to some bacteria are which cannot be stained or weakly gram stained, need special stains from their demonstration. This special staining is also dealt in the previous section. You can see my blog and you can see the particular video. Here spirochetes, these are thin spiral coccoid bacilli, example Tripoloma and Leptospira. Mycoplasma, which are cell wall deficient. Deficient means which lack the cell wall, which leave very free living bacteria. Rickettsia and Chlamydia are obligate intracellular bacteria which also need special staining. Now classification of bacteria depending on their morphology and gram staining. Here you can see this is left side is the bacteria and right side it is example. These are gram positive cocci arranged in clusters. Cocci means round shape. Clusters in group of cocci which are Staphylococcus example. In chain, Streptococci are Streptococcus. Pairs, lanceolate shape, Pneumococcus. Pair in short chain, spectals, Enterococcus. Tetrads, which is in 4, Micrococcus. Octale, which is in 8, it is Sarcina. Next coming to gram negative cocci arranged in pairs, lens shaped, Meningococcus. Pairs arranged like kidney shaped, Gonococcus. Now coming to bacillus, from gram positive bacilli arranged in chains which have bamboo stick appearance are Bacillus anthracis. Chinese letter or cuneiform pattern, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Palisade pattern, diphterioids. Branched and filamentous form, Actinomyces and Nocardia. Coming to the gram negative bacilli arranged in pleomorphic various shapes, Haemophilus and Proteus. Thumbprint appearance, Bordetella pertussis. Comma shaped fish in steam appearance, Vibrio cholerae. Curved shape, Campylobacter and Helicobacter. Chains, Streptobacillus. Spirally coiled flexible spirochetes, Rigid spherical forms, spirulinum. Bacteria that lacks cell wall or having no cell wall, it is called mycoplasma. Friends, if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you.